What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the application failed to start error on your Windows 10 or 11 device, the 0xc000003e error. So let's get right into this. If you're getting this error, there's two ways to fix this. The first thing you want to do is go to your search bar, just type in troubleshoot settings until you see this pop up, and in here, go open additional troubleshooters and run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Usually doing this should fix this issue for you, so try this first, let the troubleshooter run, let the process run, maybe even restart the computer, and then go from there. Then the next thing you want to do if this doesn't work for you is basically, I'll leave this code or whatever you want to call it, basically it's like a type of thing you want to run into your search bar, in the description below. You want to basically take this file, you want to do file, basically save as, and then save this file. Don't save it as a text file, just call it whatever, just say run.bat, or you could call it, again, it's up to you. This is preferable to say something like this, fix KALIA, but you want to save this as a BAT file, right? So because it's a BAT file, because you're going to run it basically. So do all files, run it as a BAT file, and then just save it on your desktop if you want to, or your documents, and then basically press save, right click into it, and run the file as an administrator. It's going to run like a command and via like command prompt basically, and a whole process is going to run. You restart your computer, you go from there, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up, go on the channel, make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.